G'day DIY Pool Legends. You might be wondering what is the difference between the Shimmer Finish, our standard range, and our Marbletech range, which is an upgrade for an additional cost. And it's a really good question. First up though, let's talk about AquaGuard-X. That's the gel coat that is used on all of our pools. It's an Australian-made gel coat. It is hands down the best gel coat on the market. It's highly fade resistant, and that's been independently tested and proven. So you never have to worry about your pool looking old. It will look fantastic year after year with AquaGuard-X. Also got an antimicrobial that's mixed into it, and that helps kill some of the common bacteria and algae growth in your pool in conjunction with your normal filtration. So you'll find you're going to use a little bit less chemicals in one of our pools compared to a standard pool. Now let's talk about Marbletech. Now Marbletech is 17 different colors, a really unique looking range of colors if you want something that really gets people talking. Don't get me wrong, the Shimmer Finish colours are absolutely beautiful and you've got 6 to choose from, but if you do want something a little bit different, that's what Marbletech is for. Now it's exactly the same AquaGuard-X gel coat, but to get that beautiful, unique, mixed colour look, then it requires more passes with the gel coat gun, and it's more time and it's more labour, and the gel coat layer ends up being thicker because they're using more gel coat. That's why we charge for it, because it does cost more to actually create. The good news is because the gel coat layer is thicker, then the cosmetic warranty increases to 20 years. So you're completely covered against fading, blistering, all of these horrible things you hear about with cheap pools for 20 years. The Shimmer Finish warranty, that's the industry standard, 6 years, but as touched on, you've already got the best gel coat on the market. If you choose the Shimmer Finish colour, you are going to love it. They look fantastic, but if you do want something a little bit different, or you prefer the peace of mind of that 20-year cosmetic warranty, then Marbletech's worth having a think about.